Hello and welcome to NoCodeNerd episode 7. So, this is one of my favorites. I use it like absolutely religiously every single day. It's not necessarily a no-code tool. I would call it more of an organization tool. It's just a little to-do list app called ToDoist. You can see it right up there. Highly recommend it. I adore it. It's my favorite app in the entire world, possibly. ToDoist, if you're watching this, I'm going to tag the heck out of you guys. If you want to work together, or if there's any way I can make content for you guys, hit me up. Anyway, this is ToDoist. Absolutely adore ToDoist. It's basically just a little to-do list app that pairs with just about every one of your devices and your email and everything. For example, this is my little ToDoist right here, right? This is for today, and this is for yesterday that I still have to finish, right? Up in this corner, up here, no matter what tab I'm on, if I click the ToDoist little Chrome extension right here, boom, I have the same little list. I have it on my phone as well, and I even have it in my Gmail inbox. I can tag emails on to-do list items. I can have it run. I use it aggressively for that. If I need to follow up with somebody in a month or so, I just plug Todoist into the email. It's beautiful. It's the best thing on the market, in my opinion. I've tried out a few different to-do list apps. They make it super easy. It's just, I tag everything aggressively. If anybody wants to know more about like my system for getting things done using the to-do list app, I have like a coloring system that I use, and I have a date movement system. I've developed my own little system inside Todoist that makes it even better. Happy to share more on that if anybody wants. But go check out Todoist. I highly freaking recommend it. It's just so smooth on every single device. Integrates like just beautifully with your work, and it has saved my life, genuinely. So that's Todoist, my favorite dang tool. If you don't have a to-do list app that you're currently obsessed with, I would recommend checking out Todoist. Links down below wherever the heck you would find them, wherever the video is. So, I'll see you in the next episode. Woohoo!